ISS robots team up. Germany and Japan's historic space collaboration. Imagine a future where robots from different countries and organizations work together seamlessly in space, revolutionizing the way we explore and conduct research in orbit. This may seem like the stuff of science fiction, but a groundbreaking experiment has just made it a reality. In a historic collaboration, the Japanese space agency JAXA and Germany's DLR have teamed up their robots on the International Space Station, ISS, for a seek and photograph mission, marking the first time independently developed robots have worked together in space. But here's where it gets interesting. The two robots, Japan's Int-Ball2 and Germany's CIMON, were not designed to work together, and their designers never envisioned a scenario where they would collaborate. So how did this unlikely partnership come about? Let's dive in and explore the details of this fascinating experiment. Int-Ball2 is a drone that flies inside the ISS, controlled remotely by JAXA ground staff, which can take photos that would otherwise require an astronaut's attention. On the other hand, CIMON, developed by DLR with the help of Airbus and IBM, is equipped with AI-assisted voice recognition capabilities, allowing astronauts to command it to retrieve information, and includes cameras that can take hands-off snaps. The experiment took place last week, when Japanese astronaut Takuya Onishi visited the ISS's Columbus European Laboratory and spoke to CIMON, instructing it to order Int-Ball2 to find an item in the Kibo Japanese experiment module. CIMON understood the instructions, converted them into commands for Int-Ball2, and transmitted them to the Japanese bot. Int-Ball2 then sprang into action, streaming video of its quest back to CIMON, which displayed the live feed on its screen for Onishi to watch. This successful collaboration has significant implications for future manned space activities, as it demonstrates the potential for efficient collaborative operations between astronauts and robots. As JAXA noted, the knowledge gained from this mission is expected to form the basis for future collaborative operations in space. But what does this mean for the future of space exploration? Will we see more international collaborations like this in the future? And what are the potential benefits and challenges of such partnerships? These are just a few questions that come to mind when considering the implications of this experiment. And this is the part most people miss. The fact that this collaboration was not just a technical achievement, but also a diplomatic one, highlighting the potential for international cooperation in space exploration. But here's a thought-provoking question. As we move forward with more collaborations like this, how will we ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared equitably among nations and organizations? Should we establish formal protocols for international collaboration in space? Or will informal partnerships like this one suffice? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this matter. Do you think this experiment marks the beginning of a new era in space exploration, or is it just a one-off success? Let us know in the comments. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that collaborations like this one could enable. With robots like Int-Ball2 and CIMON working together, we may be on the cusp of a new era in space research, one that is characterized by international cooperation, technological innovation, and a shared passion for discovery. Project Cimon, the AI astronaut assistant, revolutionizing space missions. Get ready for a groundbreaking development in space exploration. The future of astronaut assistance is here, and it's called Cimon. Cimon, short for Crew Interactive Mobile Companion, is an AI-powered robot designed to revolutionize life aboard the International Space Station, ISS. This innovative project aims to make long-duration space missions more manageable and less stressful for astronauts. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Cimon just a helpful assistant, or could it become an indispensable crewmate? Japanese astronaut Takuya Onishi recently prepped Cimon in the Kibo laboratory module, marking a significant step in understanding AI's role in space. As missions extend further and become more intricate, the strain on astronauts increases. Project Cimon aims to alleviate this burden. Cimon's design allows it to float freely within the ISS, offering assistance with various tasks. One of its standout features is hands-free voice control, enabling astronauts to request documents, tutorials, or procedures without breaking their focus on the task at hand. Imagine an astronaut repairing equipment or conducting an experiment. CIMON can display detailed instructions or videos right in their line of sight, ensuring a seamless process and minimizing errors. It's like having a personal assistant who can provide instant guidance, leaving the astronauts hands-free for the actual work. Additionally, CIMON serves as a mobile camera, capturing real-time or recorded footage of complex scientific procedures. This simplifies data collection and allows ground teams or astronauts themselves to review and analyze the data. And this is the part most people miss. CIMON's potential extends beyond task assistance. It can also enhance skill training. If an astronaut needs a refresher on a specific skill, like solving a Rubik's Cube, a benchmark task, Cimon can play video tutorials and respond to voice commands to pause or rewind, adapting to the astronaut's learning pace. The ultimate goal of Project Cimon is to reduce the workload, improve time management, and decrease stress during challenging missions. By taking on these tasks, Cimon allows astronauts to rest and recharge, which is crucial for their well-being and mission success. Observations from Cimon's deployment will shape the future of AI assistance, not just in space, but also on Earth. Imagine the applications in education, industrial automation, medicine, and healthcare. As we venture deeper into space, AI companions like Cimon could become essential crew members, making the final frontier a little less daunting and a lot more enjoyable. So, what do you think? Is Cimon a game changer or just a fancy tool? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.